This will help you practice your English and learn how to talk about daily routines.
First, we have the living room. It's a big, cozy room with a comfortable sofa and a coffee table. There's a television on the wall, and we like to watch our favorite shows here. We have some colorful cushions on the sofa, and there's a soft rug on the floor. The living room also has a big window with long, flowing curtains. We can open the curtains during the day to let in the sunlight. It's a great room to relax in. Now, let's move to the kitchen. The kitchen is where we prepare and eat our meals. There's a large wooden table in the middle of the room with chairs around it. We have a refrigerator to keep our food cold and a stove to cook on. There's also a microwave oven and a toaster on the kitchen counter. I like the smell of freshly baked bread in the morning. We have some colorful dishes and glasses in the cabinets. Sometimes, we bake cookies or make a delicious homemade pizza in the kitchen. Next, we have the bedroom. It's my favorite room in the house. There's a comfortable bed with soft sheets and a warm blanket. On the bedside table, we have a small lamp for reading before bedtime. I keep my favorite books and toys on the shelves in this room. The bedroom has a big window too, and we can see the stars at night when we lie in bed. It's a peaceful room where I can have a good night's sleep. Now, let's move to the bathroom. The bathroom is a small room with a bathtub, a sink, and a toilet. We take showers and brush our teeth in the bathroom. We have a mirror above the sink where we can see ourselves. There's also a cabinet where we keep our towels and toiletries. It's an essential room to get ready in the morning and wind down before bedtime. In our house, we also have a dining room. It's a formal room with a long, wooden dining table and comfortable chairs. We have family dinners here, and it's a time when we all sit together, talk, and enjoy our meals. The dining room has a chandelier hanging from the ceiling, and it creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Finally, we have a backyard. The backyard is a wonderful place to spend time outdoors. There's a green lawn where we can have picnics and play games. We also have a garden with colorful flowers and some fruit trees. On sunny days, we set up a barbecue grill and invite friends and family for a barbecue party. It's a great space for outdoor activities.